On will tusa brand eveha kahavna tilang te ladra na kakena. Omul tusa e korda pisa da ito hail. Well, Nabi Borha, Marta EP Nua Tila Ashahe Egg Imle and Ano Kleshna Tilain to Dahul Sho. Tila t-shirts are not only the perfect addition to your wardrobe for the coming months, but an addition to your personality. Well, just look at these two happy and sexy models we got in for this very professional shoot. Tila, which translates to tied in English, represents the wide range of sounds available to hear on Imle's new EP, and this new top-of-the-range merchandise from the band is the perfect way to show your exciting personality and remarkable taste in music. Fai do kelna nu, agus aimshigon da, agus solas ido hail.